What is up yung mga katropa? It's me, your boy Ven, back it up again with another Vlogmas episode. So for today's Vlogmas episode 5 season 6 is I am proudly wanted to announce all of you that the Sparks Volume 3 is finally ended. Okay? So another journey has been ended, another story has been ended. So sobrang daming na-drop ng Sparks Volume 3, di ba? Like it's a roller coaster ride, dude. So yeah, so we are going to another journey, and the Sparks Volume 4 is slowly coming in this January 2026 kasi inahanda ko pa yung 6 songs or 6 soundtracks na i-release natin for the Sparks Volume 4. Talagang hinabol kong matapos yung Sparks Volume 3 kasi sobrang gipit na sa oras eh. Wala na akong time para makapag-compose ng kanta. Wala na akong time makapag-upload. Pansin nyo, nalilate na nga yung mga uploads ko. Pero I'm still complying. I'm still fully compliant pa rin sa pagiging content creator ko dito sa YouTube. Even though hindi ko na nasusunod yung schedule ko na every Sunday, 1 p.m. Hindi ko na talaga yun nasusunod kasi there are so many workloads and there are so many responsibilities sa sarili ko ngayon, like being a student council officer, being a student, being a kuya, being a son, marami pang iba, kaya yun, nagkakagulo na sa time, gipit na. Well, I'm still managing my time for it, kaya yeah, I'm still planning for that, na ma-manage yung time ko sa pagiging content creator and pagiging student and also pagiging kuya dito sa bahay. You know what I'm saying, man? So ayun nga. So actually, in the Sparks Volume 4, it consists with 6 soundtracks pa rin, songs, na alam nyo naman lahat ng songs ko, it's about reality, walang halong shit, walang halong joke time, lahat siya reality and based on my experience, lahat yun, kaya so many on, no further explanation, no? 3 pa lang po. Yung nire-ready ko, so kulang pa ulit ako ng 3 pa. So Toxic version 1, Toxic version 2, and then Realidad version 3. Pero parang yung Realidad version 3 is magkakaroon siya ng early release this October. Abangan nyo na lang sa Spark In Shit channel, link down in the description below. So kasi kung ilelate ko yung Realidad version 3 is hindi na siya sasakto sa latest issue sa panahon natin ngayon. Alam naman natin yung mga issue ngayong panahon, di ba? Kaya magkakaroon talaga tayo ng early release. So it means there are 3 more missing in the Sparks Volume 4, no? So actually, toxic songs. I mean, my songs titled ay Toxic, it was parang revised version siya or another part siya ng Talk Shit songs ko, which is yung Talk Shit songs ko is consists of 3 parts din. And now we're going to another I think a story, which is yung toxic story na kung saan ine-expose ko na naman yung mga kupal na tao na alam nyo na yon. Kaya yun, actually dapat 3 parts siya pero dinrap namin or in-unrelease namin yung version 3. So version 2 pa lang yung nagagawa namin, but I'm still planning things up na gawin pa rin siyang 3 part like the Talk Shit version 1, 2, and 3. So let's see kung ano magagawa natin, di ba? And then the Realidad version 3, that was the last part ng Realidad story natin sa mga songs ko. Kasi halos naman nasabi ko ng lahat. Yung Realidad version 1 is about life, yung life and love. Yung Realidad version 2, it's about political issues, and then Realidad version 3, it's about the political issues pa rin. Kaya ayun, sobrang init talaga ng Realidad version 1, version 2 and 3. Kasi ayun yung latest issue na nangyayari ngayon sa kapaligiran natin. So yun, Sparks Volume 3 is slowly coming in this January 2025. Kasabay siya ng drop ng Vlogmas Season 3. Yes, Vlogmas Vlog Season 3. And then next year is Vlogmas Season 7 na tayo. Sobrang layo na narating natin, pare ko. And still, yung mga ina-upload ko nasa 9 views pa rin. Hindi siya nagbo-boom. Like, I know to myself kasi na may mga pasok na kasi yung mga viewers ko. Kaya wala na sila masyadong time na manood ng mga vlogs ko. Not like before na bakasyon and then nung pandemic na ang dami kong nakahakot ng views. It was because bakasyon. maraming time para isingit yung panonood sa YouTube, no? Pero ngayon kasi, wala na silang time. Pero okay lang, I understand all of it naman. Kasi ganun din naman ako, nakawalan na rin ako ng time. And minsan nalilate na talaga yung mga Vlogmas episode upload ko. Kaya, yun, I'm still complying about it. I'm still managing my time para makapag-comply pa rin sa pagiging content creator ko. Okay? So, yun lang naman guys, no? Sparks Volume 3 early release this October. Abangan nyo na lang. Siguro magdadrop na lang ako ng graphic ng announcement dito sa channel na to, and then sa page ko, sa panibagong page kasi wala na ako sa production. So dun sa personal page ko magdadrop na lang din ako doon ng announcement kung kailan natin i-release or early release yung Realidad version 3. So abangan nyo na lang kasi nahanap pa ako ng time kasi gagawin ko siyang music video, something like that, no? Kaya hanap pa talaga ako ng time. So let's see what can we do, no? This October. So yun. This was the last episode ng Vlogmas Season 6 this month of September. And wala pa talaga nakalista dun sa content for the October. Pero mag-iisip-isip na ako habang maaga pa. Kaya yun lang naman. So, konting antay lang sa Sparks Volume 4 or sa Realidad version 3. And then, Sparks Volume 4, siguro magiging continuous siya this January 2026. So, abang-abangan nyo na lang. So, yun lang naman guys. So, if you like this video, please drop a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto mo ma-shoutout, comment down below na hashtag pa-shoutout po. And I will pick 5 person and I will shoutout them to the end of the video. So, yun lang naman guys. Peace out and signing off. See you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!